And we are back to math class. All right. And here we are with logistic growth functions. Um, these are basically exponential functions that have a limit to their growth potential there. Okay, like for instance, maybe a goldfish can only fit in an aquarium up to a certain amount, then they start dying off. So there's some type of maximum population, for instance, would be a good example. So the range, the lowest is 0, and the maximum is actually the numerator of this logistic growth function c. All right. Now pay attention here. This is for factors where b is less than 1. Okay, so that means there's like a fractional b here. Or the other way you could do a logistic growth function is if it's e to the negative exponent here. And a negative exponent will cause basically this to be a fraction, okay? Or I guess if b was greater than 1, then b could be to a negative exponent, which would cause that to be a fraction, all right? So basically, it's either a negative exponent or the b value is a fraction, okay? Which would be less than 1. All right, so the range is 0 to c. The horizontal asymptote is like the cap or the limit to the growth, and that's y equals c. And then there's other features on this page, okay? Okay, so here's an example. It says find the y-intercept and horizontal asymptotes. All right, so for the y-intercept, you're just plugging in 0, the initial value, for x, okay? Then you solve the function. E to the power 0 is 1, okay? So you want to make sure to then simplify the denominator. So you have 1 plus 2 times 1. Follow the order of operations, you'll get 3. Okay, you do the multiplication, then you add 1, you get 3. So you have 9 divided by 3 is 3. So there's your y-intercept, 0, 3. The horizontal asymptote, which is the limit, is the numerator, which is 9, okay? Y equals 9 is the top horizontal asymptote, but also you have a bottom horizontal asymptote, which I probably forgot to write on this page here. Yeah, so you got a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0 and at y equals c, okay? Yeah, so you have two horizontal asymptotes, and yep. Real quick, you could graph a logistic growth functions in your calculator. You have to use the E button, which is the second natural log, I already said. This is what they would kind of look like, okay? And you see how it's capped at 9 and it goes down to 0. It doesn't actually get to 9, it doesn't actually get to 0. The 2 that was in this problem, all it does is it horizontally like stretches or compresses it. Not sure what there, it depends on, you have to think about that. I'm not sure because it's in the denominator. But anyhow, it's some type of stretching, but basically the graph looks still the same there for the most part. Okay, so that's it for logistic growth functions. I will try to have your test graded soon, and there should be a math Excel for you guys to work on, and hopefully this isn't too bad. Have a nice day and weekend there, and enjoy the nice spring weather. God bless. Bye-bye.